Yeah, I looked out the window.
Okay, what you think?
Oh, it looks great.
Your neighbors are very inquisitive. They all ask about it. So you have the only green yard in the whole neighborhood.
Oh.
Okay. If any one of your neighbors ask, just give them my number and tell them to give me a buzz. What's going on, guys? Johnny with Blaze Grass Lawn Care, and yes, I am growing my gray out. But hey, check it out. So today we're gonna give this customer a free lawn coloring, right? Now you may say, free? Come on, man, here we go with that free. Nah, there's a reason behind it. Let me explain. So this is the neighborhood, right? Nice quiet cul-de-sac. Everybody grass is looking dormant, including my customer, right? This right here is about 2,500 square feet. So I'm going to paint this, and I got her permission. Why? Because she's an older lady, and I just told her, hey, listen, I have this great product that the golf courses use, and to keep the lawn looking green. And she says, yeah, sure, do it for me. How much is going to cost? I said, nothing. All I'm going to do is paint your lawn, and then when your neighbors ask, all you have to do is let them know, who did it. Simple as that, guys. So first thing I did today was to blow all the leaves off, mow it, bag everything up nice and pretty, and the city will come and pick this up. So now what I'm going to do is, because of time and what I'm doing today, is I will return tomorrow and paint this lawn green, and I will definitely show you how this is going to look. Now I'm going to make a nice line right here. Yeah, that's our domination line right here. And guys, let me tell you, I will keep you updated though when it comes to who else wants the service. Okay, again, sometimes in business you have to do certain things, right? And then the others will see, especially in a neighborhood like this, where neighbors are neighbors, right? Golf course community, everybody compete with the Joneses. Yeah, I can see some great things happening. All right, let's move on. Matter of fact, see you tomorrow. So this is turf paint, and turf paint is widely used on sport fields and golf courses. So it isn't anything new as far as the technology or whatever, but it is new for the residential customer. So today I want to answer a couple of questions that I get a lot when you guys see these type of videos. And the first most asked question is, how much do I charge? But on average, I charge 10 cents to 15 cents per square feet. So again, it depends on the size. If it's a big property, then I'll bring it down to probably 10 cents per square feet. If it's a small property, then I'll keep it at 15 cents per square feet. So, and again, that's my pricing method. And again, it is your business, so you can come up with a pricing method that will be more within how you price your services. The second question is, how much product do I need? And it is hard to answer because it depends on what you're spraying and how high the blade of grass is. Like for instance, this is Bermuda, but it is mowed at 3 inches, so the blades are longer than if you were to mow this at, let's say, 1 inch. And also the conditions in which you're spraying. This is 100% dormant Bermuda, where you may be spraying at where it's not at that dormant stage yet. And like anything else, the thicker you apply this product, the darker the color will be. So here you may say, well, this doesn't look too dark, it looks like you're kind of just glazing over it, but at the end you'll see the big difference when I show you this property compared to, let's say, the neighbors or the entire neighborhood. So at the end of this video also, I will show you where, yes, this one was free, and you go, well, you're giving away. Now guys, this is marketing. This is marketing because I know the neighborhood, and I know the demographics of the neighborhood. So as a matter of fact, once I was kind of in the middle of this project, I had 2 neighbors stop me for quotes, and I ended up picking up 2 of the neighbors that I have to do, and I'll show you at the end of the video. So make sure that you watch the video all the way through. And also guys, if you're new to this channel, I'm Johnny. I'm the owner of Blaze of Grass Lawn Care, and I show you what I do and how I do it. Now I'm not the expert, but I've been doing this for a while, and I deal with southern turf, and you can either learn what to do or what not to do from my videos, right? And if you have an easier, more efficient way of doing certain things, guys, please put them in the comment below, because again, I believe in sharing knowledge, and we can only get better by learning, right? Awesome. So like I said before, this is roughly 250 square feet, and 2,500, sorry, and it took 6 gallons of turf paint, okay, and I mix it at a rate of 8 ounces per gallon. No, I think it's 7. I did this one at 7, but you're supposed to mix it at 8 ounces, but I did this one at 7. So another question that I get a lot is, how long does it last, and does it wash off? The answer to that is that it lasts 2 to 3 months, depending on weather conditions, and it takes an hour to dry. And once the product is dry, it doesn't come off. And my experience utilizing this product is that the longer it's on the turf, the more natural it looks. Not sure if the color settles in or whatever the case might be, but again, in a couple of days it'll look extremely better than when you first paint it. Alright guys, so this is the final look. So don't forget to post your comments below. Let me know what you think. And if you have any additional questions, guys, I will place a card on the top to a video that I did, which is more in depth, which are answering a lot of your questions and mixed rates and all that good stuff, okay? Alright guys, see you in the next one. Have a blessed one. Pop Spoke. Peace. So check this out, guys. I just finished painting this lawn right here, and I have 2 more to do. The one right there and the one right there. And they want me to do it as soon as possible. So I have to schedule them for next week. And the only reason I'm scheduling them for next week is because I have 2 other customers directly in front of them. Plus it's supposed to rain anyway. So yeah. Turf paint, baby. Turf paint. All right, let's keep it moving.